Hi everyone, this is Brian with Bsntech Networks bringing to you another video tutorial for your website builder. In this tutorial we're going to show you how to actually add a slideshow that's independent of a picture gallery to a website. A lot of websites you see nowadays will have a slideshow on the home page to kind of get more attention and draw customers or visitors in. So it's a nice way to add a little bit of motion to your home page. As you can see on the site already, we've logged in to the admin panel. To add this is considered a plugin. So hover over plugins and then hit add new. Under here, the slideshow that we recommend is the soliloquy. So make sure to look at its spelling right here. I actually misspelled it up there, so that's not correct. But what you need to do, it's SOLILOQUY. After you enter that, hit enter, and that will bring up the plugins that match that. So here's the one that we need, a responsive WordPress slider, Soliloquy Lite. The responsive means that if it's put on the website, it will also automatically adjust the size for mobile devices. So that's a great feature to use. So we're going to go ahead and install this. So I'm going to hit install now. And then we're going to activate the plugin. Okay, so the plugin is now activated. We are now ready to start creating a slideshow. Down here you've got the new item on the left side that says Soliloquy. Let's click on it. And you can see there's nothing at all in here so far since we just installed it. So we need to create or add a new slider. Click Add New. And right away it will ask us to upload some images. So I'm just going to upload a couple of them here. See what I can find. There's one right there for a site that we did. And there's another one. And another one. Alright, so I think 3 is good for this showing. These were previous websites that we created a while ago for some other customers. And let's click on Config. This is where the configuration for the actual slideshow is. The slider theme, probably just keep it as base. You can change it to classic if you'd like, just to see what the difference is. Slider dimensions. This is how wide and how tall the slideshow will be on your website. So I'm going to go ahead and make this, say, 600 by 600. Usually you should make the slideshow wider than it is tall if this is going to be used on a website or on the home page rather, because you don't want the slideshow to be very tall, because then it's going to make people have to scroll down quite a bit. So that's why in this case I'm just doing this as an example. Slider transition, fade is the only option there. Transition duration. This is basically saying how many milliseconds should each slide be shown on the site. So 5,000 milliseconds is 5 seconds. Slider transition speed. So at 400 milliseconds it will do the fade effect, and the fade effect would be completed within 400 milliseconds. And the slide gutter, that's just how much space is on either side of the slideshow. Alright, so the miscellaneous tab, you can give it a title if you want, but it's not really required. So we're done. We're going to go ahead and hit publish. And once we publish, we're going to get this little pop-up box right here. This is what we need to add to the home page. So you can either choose this one up here, or you can choose this one. Don't do both of them, just one of them. So I have highlighted it, right-click, copy. I'm going to go to the home page now. So go to Pages, click on Home, and I'm going to go ahead and I want it above that text. So I'm going to do that, right-click, and hit paste. So there is the tag that I just put in there. Now let's go ahead and hit update. Now we go back to the website, go to the home, and there's the slideshow. So you will see that it's going to automatically change in about 5 seconds. There it goes. So those, like I said, those are some websites that we did about a year or more ago for some customers. But it's just a nice slideshow that you can add to your website. So that will take care of it. If you're looking to create a slideshow on your site, then this is the perfect solution for it. Alright, well thank you for watching, and this was Brian with Bsntech Networks.